Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Thryv affiliate lead capture integration easy tutorial step by step clearly. To restore the Thryv affiliate lead capture integration, begin by logging into your Thryv account. Navigate to the dashboard where you'll find various options. Look for the Settings tab, typically located on the left sidebar. Click on Settings to open the Settings menu. From the Settings menu, select Integrations. In the Integrations section, find the Affiliate Lead Capture option. Click on it to access the lead capture integration settings. If the integration is currently inactive, you'll see a toggle switch. Flip the toggle to the on position to activate the integration. Next, check for any missing API keys or credentials. If any fields are empty, gather the necessary information from your affiliate account. Enter the required API keys and credentials into the designated fields. After entering the details, click on the Save button to apply your changes. Once saved, return to the integrations dashboard to confirm the status of the affiliate lead capture. If you encounter any errors, refer to the troubleshooting guide on the Thryv Help Center. For further assistance, consider reaching out to Thryv support for dedicated help. Test the integration by submitting a lead through your affiliate link. Monitor the results to ensure that the leads are properly captured in your Thryv account. Congratulations, you have successfully restored your Thryv affiliate lead capture integration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.